Hey everybody, Chris Toledo here with IPD. Thanks for joining me out in the shop. Today I'm going to talk to you about some new products regarding skid plates. This product that I'm holding in my hand we have sold for quite a long time since the P3 chassis came out on the Volvo lineup. It's been very popular. This right here is the standard replacement for your factory skid plate or guide or guard that's on the bottom of your car. It's more of a mesh material, like a fabric material, super easy to puncture with like your road debris, sticks, stuff like that floating around on the highway. And your oil pan is definitely very vulnerable on these cars, and that's why we make skid plates to protect that. This one right here is the one that we've been selling for years. It's just shy under 7 pounds. It's great for everyday use, everyday driving. It fits all P3 chassis with your S80s, your S60s, your V60s, XC70s, XC60s. You can look at the applications on the product page with this and see if it fits your application. Now, some of you know that we've been doing some overlanding with our XC60 projects. We just continued or just finished the Washington Outback Discovery route with our overlanding kits that we're doing on the XC60 cars. And we wanted something beefier, a bigger skid plate. And that's why we built this guy. They're all aluminum. It's double the thickness. It weighs about 17 pounds. It still incorporates all the holes for accessing the maintenance points like your oil pan and your lower transmission torque mount. Both of our plates are aluminum, but this one right here, I'm telling you, you can't flex it. It is beefy and very heavy. You know, the other one does the job. It's great for everyday driving, but this P3 skid plate is fantastic for anybody that wants something a little bit more, especially if they overland or if they off-road or if they, are taking the roads less traveled. When we were on our overland trip on the Washington Outback Discovery route, we found ourselves crawling up onto rocks, falling down onto rocks, and we just wanted the added protection, knowing that we're out in the middle of nowhere and that nothing was going to get through this thing. So that's why we developed it. It's already on this XC60 here, super easy install. It's got all the factory mounting points. It comes with new hardware. You can mount it using a 10mm going into all the existing holes. It's super durable. Nothing's getting through that guy. And you can still access, like I said, your oil port here and your lower torque mount. It's a fantastic addition for anybody wanting added protection. If you have any questions, give us a call at 800-444-6473. Thanks for tuning in.